The best home remedies for poison ivy. Poison ivy is widely spread across the United States, regions of Canada, Mexico, and Asia. Its clusters of three-pointed leaflets make it simple to recognize. The leaves may have a reddish tinge in the spring, be green in the summer, and a variety of red, yellow, or orange in the fall. Urushiol, an oil produced by poison ivy, causes a rash in around 85% of those who come into contact with it. The rash itself isn't contagious to others because it's caused by a skin reaction to the oil. The oil, though, is persistent and capable of spreading to others. It will adhere to practically anything, including your clothing, shoes, camping gear, and even your pet's fur. Brushing against a vine in winter can still result in a rash since the oil is present in almost every part of the plant, including the leaves, stems, and even the roots. Here are the best home remedies for taking away the itch of poison ivy. 1. Rubbing alcohol. Within an hour of coming into contact with poison ivy, use rubbing alcohol on the afflicted region to eliminate the urushiol oil and prevent a rash. When hiking or camping, it's a good idea to have alcohol wipes on hand for quick treatment if you come into contact with poison ivy. Applying rubbing alcohol will also aid in drying out and preventing infection if a rash has already developed. 2. Cold compress. Applying cool, moist compresses can help lessen inflammation and skin irritation of poison ivy. Run a clean washcloth under cold water, wring out the excess, and apply to the rash for 15 to 30 minutes several times a day. Soaking the rash in cool water or taking a cold shower can also help. 3. Oatmeal bath. Multiple inflammatory skin conditions can benefit from oatmeal's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. To ease the itching caused by a poison ivy rash, add 1 cup of oatmeal to a lukewarm bath and soak for 15 minutes. Additionally, topical use of colloidal oatmeal on the rash will also help. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda can be used a couple different ways to alleviate itching. When taking a bath, add a cup of baking soda to the running water and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also make a paste using a 3:1 ratio of baking soda to water and apply it directly to the rash. 5. Apple cider vinegar. A small amount of apple cider vinegar used topically can reduce irritation and accelerate the healing process by drying up the rash. Reapplying the vinegar as necessary throughout the day can prevent you from scratching and speed up the healing process. 6. Tea tree oil. Since tea tree oil is another all-natural anti-inflammatory, it can aid in easing inflammation, itching, and redness. In addition, tea tree oil has antibacterial qualities, so if you do accidentally scratch poison ivy blisters open, it can aid in preventing infection. 7. Aloe vera. Due to its cooling and anti-inflammatory qualities, aloe vera has a relaxing and soothing impact on poison ivy rashes. If you have access to an aloe vera plant, you can cut open a leaf, extract the gel from inside, and apply directly to the rash. If you don't have a plant, then you can obtain the same relief from purchasing aloe vera gel. Drop us a comment and let us know which option worked the best for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.